Well, if you're trying to use Hub at home, I thought this video might help you. So to get to Hub in the browser or in the search engine, type in Hub and then click the first search result, and then you'll want to press Login. If you want to change the language to Welsh, the button's up here. You press Login, and then you'll put in your details. I'll put mine in. And you need to remember to include the whole at hubcymru.net. And then following that, you'll put the password in, and that will land you on the front page of Hub. To find Google for Education, you can either scroll down and it's here, or you can click on this waffle and you'll see it here. It might ask you to sign in again, but if that's the case, just put in your Hub username and password again, or just the username apparently, and you'll see all the classes there.